Dear students, Namaste. You have read chemical kinetics. Topics are finished. You have read 3 numericals also. Today again 4 numericals are solved by me, which asked in previous year. First question, for a reaction A plus B converts into product. The rate of reaction is given by rate is equal to K into concentration of A into concentration of B square. First, how is the rate of reaction affected if concentration of B is doubled? Second question, what is the overall order of reaction if A is present in large amount? Second question, a first order reaction takes 30 minutes for 50% completion. Calculate the time required for 90% completion of this reaction. Value of log 2 is given, and you have to remember yourself also. It is asked in CBSE Delhi in 2015. Now, solution. In solution, some points are given. What is given here? Rate. Rate is given K into concentration of A into concentration of B square. If concentration of B is doubled, then rate is equal to or will be equal to K into concentration of A into concentration of 2B whole square, because B is doubled, so it is 2B. It will be equal to K into concentration of A into concentration of B square into 4, or we can write rate is equal to 4 into K into concentration of A into concentration of B square. It is equation number suppose 1. What does it mean? It means rate of reaction is increased by 4 times. Second, since A is present in excess amount or in large amount, so the change in concentration of A will be negligible because it is in excess amount. Therefore, rate will be equal to K into concentration of A power 0 into concentration of B power 2. Now, order of reaction will be what? Order of reaction is equal to the sum of the power of mass action expression. So, what happens here? Order of reaction will be equal to 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. Second question is time for 50% completion is 30 minutes. Therefore, or what does it mean? T half or capital T, that is half-life period, is equal to 30 minutes. Why it is half-life? Because 50% concentration is changed. So it is half-life. Now, K is equal to 0.693 by 30. It will be equal to 0.0231. Now, question is given A is equal to 100. Why A is equal to 100? Because 90% reaction is complete. So A will be 100 x will be 90 and k is determined at present 0.0231 minute inverse. Now next we know that k is equal to 2.303 by t log a by a minus x. It is the rate constant expression of first order reaction. Therefore, on putting the values of a, x and t, and we get k is equal to 2.303 log a by a minus x. Now, on putting the value of k, a and x, we get t is equal to 2.303 by 0.0231 log 100 by 100 minus 90. It is equal to 2.303 by 0.0231 log 100 by 10. It will be equal to 2.303 by 0.0231 log 10. Value of log 10 is 1. So t is equal to will be equal to 2.303 by 0.0231 into 0.301. Now it is equal to 99.7. No problem in it. Here value is given. Its value will be equal to 1, not 3.01, or t is equal to 99.7 minute. It is the answer. So mind here 0.301 is written, but value of log 10 is 1, so you have to write here 1. Now next question. Next question is, following data are obtained for the reaction N2O5 decomposes into 2NO2 plus half O2. Time given here in second. 0 means initial concentration, after 300 seconds and after 600 seconds. Concentration of N2O5 is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 2. Here 0.8 into 10 to the power minus 2 and 0.4 into 10 to the power minus 2. Now show that it follows the first order reaction. First question. Second, calculate the half life. Log 2 is given here 0.301. Now solution. A is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 2. It is given. If t is equal to 300, then concentration is A minus x is 0.8 into 10 to the power minus 2. And when t is equal to 600, then A minus x is equal to 0.4 into 10 to the power minus 2. Now we know that for first order reaction, K is equal to 2.303 by T log A by A minus x. Therefore K is equal to 2.303 by 300 log 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 2 by 0.8 into 10 to the power minus 2. 10 to the power minus 2, 10 to the power minus 2 is cancelled, and 0.8 divides the 1.6 into 2 times. So K is equal to 2.303 by 300 log 2 and 2.303 by 300 into value of log 2 is 0.301. So K will be what? 2.31 into 10 to the power minus 3 second inverse. It is in scientific notation. Again, we know that K is equal to 2.303 by T log A by A minus X. Again, we have to put the value of A, X and T. Then we get, what we get? K is equal to 2.303 by 600 log 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 2 by 0.4 into 10 to the power minus 2, 10 to the power minus 2, 10 to the power minus 2 cancelled. 0.4 divides 1.6 into 4 times. So K will be equal to 2.303 by 600 log 4. Now value of log 4 is 0.602 and hence it will be equal to 2.303 by 600 into 0.602 or K is equal to 2.31 into 10 to the power minus 3 second inverse. As rate in both cases is fairly constant, hence it is first order reaction. As rate constant is fairly same, so it is first order reaction. Second is half-life. We know that half-life capital T is equal to 0.693 by K. It is equal to 0.693 by 2.31 into 10 to the power minus 3. It is equal to 300 second. After solving it, it will be equal to 300 second. So half-life is 300 second. Next is third question. What is the third question? Again, see it minutely. Third question is the rate constant for the decomposition of hydrocarbons is 2.418 into 10 to the power minus 5 second inverse at 546 Kelvin. If the energy of activation is 179.9 kilojoule per mole, what will be the pre-exponential factor? Means you have to calculate the value of A. Solution. Given here K is equal to 2.418 into 10 to the power minus 5 second inverse. E is equal to 179.9 kilojoule per mole. T is equal to 546 Kelvin. We know that log K is equal to log A minus EA by 2.303 RT, or we can write here log A is equal to log K plus EA by 2.303 RT, because log A is in left side and log K is taken in right side. Or log A is equal to log 2.418 into 10 to the power minus 5 plus 179.9 by 2.303 into 8.314 into 546 into 10 to the power 3. Why 10 to the power minus 3? To make it kilojoule, because 1 is in kilojoule and value of R is in joule. So we have to convert the value of R also in kilojoule. So it is multiplied by 10 to the power minus 3. Now it is equal to log 2.418 minus 5 log 10 plus 179.9 by 10.454. It is equal to log 2.48 minus 5 log 10 plus 17.208.7. Now log A is equal to what? Log A will be equal to 0.3834 minus 5 into 1 plus 17.2087. It will be equal to 17.2087 minus 5.3834. As 17 and 5 are the characteristics, it is negative and positive, but Mantissa 0.2087, 0.3834, they are Mantissa and always positive. So the difference will be equal to what? 12.59 to 1. Mantissa is added and characteristics are subtracted. Now A is equal to NT log 12.5921 second inverse, or A is equal to 3.912 into 10 to the power 12. Why? Because NT log of 12.5921 will be equal to 3912000, means before decimal number of digits should be 12, and hence it can be written as 3.912 into 10 to the power 12. So value of pre-exponential factor is 3.912 into 10 to the power 12 second inverse. Now last question, that is very simple question. It is, consider a reaction occurs as a reactant is A converts into product with rate constant K is equal to 2.0 into 10 to the power minus 2 second inverse. Calculate the concentration of A remaining after 100 second. If initial concentration of A is 1.0 mole per liter, so we have to calculate after 100 second how much reactant will be left. What will be the concentration of reactant after 100 second? Solution: unit of K clearly indicates that it is first order reaction, because SI unit is second inverse and second inverse is the unit of first order reaction. Now according to question, K is equal to 2.303 by T log concentration of R naught by R. It is equal to 2.303 by 100 log 1.0 by concentration of A. It will be written 2.303 by 100 log 1.0 minus log A, because it is in the form of A by B. Log A by B is equal to log A minus log B. Now it is equal to again 2.0 into 10 to the power minus 2. Why? It is a value of rate constant, is equal to 2.303 into 10 to the power minus 2. 100 is written here, 10 to the power minus 2. Log 1.0 is equal to 0, and log A we have to calculate, log concentration of A. Or we can write minus 2.303 log A is equal to 2. because 2 is left here. 10 to the power minus 2, 10 to the power minus 2 cancel. Or log A is equal to 2 by 2 minus 2.303. It is equal to 0.8684. Here minus is given, so it is converted into positive form, means it is subtracted from 1, and hence we can write concentration of A is equal to NT log minus 0.8684. It is equal to NT log 1 and bar here 0.1316 and 0.1316. If you calculate the value or see the value in NT log table, it will be equal to 0.1354. So its concentration is, or after 100 seconds, the concentration of the reactant will be equal to 0.1354 mole per liter. Now rest question, exercise questions you have to solve yourself.